As soon as customer receives this highly converting WhatsApp template message, the message is fully personalized with their exact name and the latest travel offers from the agency. And the best part, it doesn't feel robotic at all. It feels like a real travel consultant is personally chatting with them. So here you can see the moment user receives this message, it includes two quick buttons named as View Packages and Talk to Expert. Now let's say I click on View Packages button. Immediately chatbot replies and asks what type of destination are you looking for, and it gives me multiple travel styles like beach, mountains, international and luxury. Now suppose I want the international experience, so I click on international. The bot instantly replies with the international travel package like Dubai City experience, 5 days, 4 nights, pricing and all the details, and one button to buy the name of book now. Now what if I choose mountains from this list? Then bot instantly shares me the offers related to the mountains trip. Now let's say I want to book a Dubai trip, so I am clicking on this book now button. Now watch this carefully, because this is where the chatbot becomes extremely smart. Instead of sending generic replies, it dynamically remembers the exact destination, that is Dubai City, because I click on this book now button. Now it asks me to share the travel dates, so I send the date as 12 July to 24 July. Next it asks me to share the number of travelers, so I sent it as 4. After that I am sending my budget. Next it is asking me for my full name, that I sent as test user, and one test contact number too. Now once I send all my information, the chatbot instantly generates a fully customized confirmation message using all the details that I have shared. Something like this, that the destination is Dubai City experience, travel dates, number of travelers, budget, my name, contact number, and one message that is please confirm to proceed. That includes two quick buttons as yes and go back. Now let's say I click on this yes button. See, the inquiry gets confirmed instantly and I receive a professional confirmation message saying that the travel expert is now reviewing your details and preparing the best options for you. No manual follow-ups, no inquiries, no delays replies. And this is the exact powerful WhatsApp chatbot we are going to build today, without writing a single line of code, using all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool named as Pabbly Chatflow. But before we move ahead, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to design this type of amazing automated WhatsApp chatbots for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. You have worked hard to build your business. Now let Pabbly handle repetitive works for you, so you can focus on the real growth instead of manual replies. Now without wasting any time, let's start the creation of this chatbot step by step. So see, this is the flow builder of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect, but if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and run the sign up process, and once you do it, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software. After doing the sign up process, you will reach on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and once you reach on the left hand side, you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow. So you just have to come in this flows feature, and this flow builder page is going to be appear in front of you. Here you can create and manage static chatbots seamlessly using a no code, user friendly drag and drop builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I will click on this plus add flow button. See, this is the starting point of your flow name as trigger, but before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. So here I am entering my flow name as travel agency automate trip inquiries on WhatsApp. Here I have given this name by my choice, but you can give it completely based on the chatbot you are creating. Now I'll give you a quick overview of these two options, messages and actions. Under these options, you will see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. And on the right hand side, there are two options. The one is active and active toggle. With the help of this toggle, your flow will be active. If If you don't enable this toggle, then your flow will become inactive and it will not work. And another one is save button. With the help of this button, your flow will be saved and updated. So let's get started. At first, you have to select the trigger events. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events. I am creating this flow with the help of templates, so I am selecting this option. After that, I am clicking on this choose template button. Next, I am searching the template from here. See, this is the exclusive travel offer template that I have already created before. Now, for creating this template, you have to go in this templates feature. See, this is the template feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can create multiple types of WhatsApp templates for your different type of businesses. It is a predefined message that is used for easy access and scale communication. For creating a new one, you have to click on this plus add template button. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add templates inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. And I have already created some before. See, this is the template that we are going to use in this video. Here I used one variable name and also added two curly brackets at the starting and the ending of this variable. With the help of this, automatically in place of this variable, the user's name will come. Now we will go back to our flow. Here I have selected the template and you will see it includes two quick buttons, name as view packages and talk to expert. Whenever the user will click on this view packages button, then my bot will reply to them by sending them list of types of travel styles just like this. So for that, I am adding one list button from here. See, this list button is divided in three parts, name as header, body and footer, where in this case I am not writing any header, so I am leaving this box blank and directly entering the message in this enter body box as awesome. Let's find the perfect trip for you. What type of destination are you looking for? And next, the footer I am entering as choose your travel style. After that, I am clicking on this edit section button and entering a section title as travel style. After that, I want to add list of types of travel style. For that, I am clicking on this plus add items button 4 times. Here I am adding only 4 types of travel style, but you can add more. The process of adding items in the list will be the same. See, here I have added as beach, mountains, international and luxury. You can also enter description in the center description boxes if you want to. Here I haven't added. After that, I am linking this circle which are presented front of view packages to this list node. See, it is connected. Now whenever the user will select the travel style they are interested in, then my bot will reply to them by sending them the details about the offer related to the travel style. So let's first go with the beach. Whenever the user will select this beach option, then my bot will reply to them by sending them one image of the destination and their details. So for that, I am adding one media button from here. At first, I am selecting the media type as image. After that, I am uploading one image related to the beach from my gallery. Here I am uploading the image. See, the image is uploaded successfully. I have uploaded this image here because I want to make my chatbot more interactive and interesting towards my user. After that, I am clicking on this plus add content button and selecting the content type as text button. Now I am entering the information about this travel destination means beach in this enter message box. Here I have added as Goa beach escape and all the details related to it. With this message, I want to add one quick button by the name of book now, so I am adding. After giving the button name, you have to select the button type and clicking on the save button. So this is how easily you can set up this type of message. In real time, it works like this. See, as soon as I have select the beach from this list, it automatically sends me the image and the details and one button by the name of book now, exactly same that we have set here. After that, I am linking this beach circle to this media node. See, connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Here I have set this button for this beach type only. Now I am going to do the setup of 3 more responses for each of these destinations. That is one for mountains, one for international and one for luxury. The process will be the same. See, here I have added 3 more destinations too related to each of the travel style, and it is visible that each of them includes one quick button by the name of book now. Now whenever the user will click any of these book now button, then my bot will reply to them. But before that, I am going to do the setup of custom field tag. So for that, I'm clicking on this actions option and adding button as set custom field by dragging this box here. At first, I'm setting this contact custom field for the destination type as beach. After adding it, you have to select the contact custom field from here that I'm selecting as destination type and enter the same destination type in this enter value box where you want to set your contact custom custom field. After entering it, I am connecting this circle which I presented in the front of book now to this contact custom field. Here I have set this contact custom field specifically for this Goa beach escape. Now I am going to the setup of 3 more contact custom field nodes for each of these destination types too. Here I have added, as you can see, that I use the same contact custom field in each of these nodes as a destination type, but only change the value completely based on the destination where I want to set the contact custom field. See, for this Maldives, I have set this contact custom field. For this Dubai city experience, I have set this, and for the Manali one, I have set this contact custom field. So don't get confused in it. It is very simple. Only it is looking complex, but it is very simple. Now I am moving forward to the next step. Whenever the user will select the destination type they are interested in, then my bot will reply to them by asking them to share the travel dates. For that, I am adding one ask question button from here and entering a question in this enter message box. With $symbol destination type selected, great choice. Let's customize your trip. As you can see that I have used a $symbol before this destination type because it is a contact custom field symbol, and with the help of this symbol, the bot will reply to my users personalized and dynamically. Whenever the user will click on the book now button of any travel destination according to their choice, then automatically it will mention their specific selection in this place. It is only made possible with the help of this contact custom field nodes. For creating a contact custom field, you have to click on the settings option and go in this contact custom fields option. It is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, emails, contact number, destination type, and many more. In simple terms, contact custom field is used for sending personalized message to each user. After that, I am linking all these 4 contact custom field nodes circle to this question box. After entering the question, I am selecting the contact custom field as destination type and the format I am selecting as any. Now, whenever the user will share the travel dates with my chatbot, then my bot will reply to them by asking them to share the number of travels, their budget, full name, and their contact number. So for that, I'm again doing the same that I have done here, means I am adding 4 more questions in this flow. The process of adding questions in the flow will be the same. Here I have added all the 4 questions and selected the contact custom field according to the question. I want you to know that I have entered these questions by my choice, but you can customize it completely based on your own business. My objective is only to teach you how you can create a chatbot flow by using Pabbly Chatflow. And in this question node, I have selected the contact custom field as full name and the format as text, as name should always in the format of text. After that, the number of attempts. The number of attempts is defined as how many times you give retry attempts to your users for answering this question. For example, it also works like this, that here I have selected the contact custom field as text, but the user will reply to my bot in the format of number. Then on those type of cases, we have to increase the number of attempts for our users so that they can re-answer this question. But make sure that whenever we increase the number of attempts, we have to write the validation message in this enter message box. For this case, you can enter the validation message like this, that please enter your name in the correct format. Here I am giving the number of attempts as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. And I have done the same, so on. Now when all this communication will done, then at last my bot will provide one customized summary message to the user that dynamically includes all their provided details, just like this. So for setting up this type of message, I am adding one text button from here and entering a respond message in this enter message box. As confirm your trip details, destination with $symbol, destination type, date, number of travelers, budget, full name, and contact number. I have already explained you about this $symbol, as it is a contact custom field symbol, and with the help of this, automatically the user input will come. Now with this message too, I am adding 2 quick options, where the first one is yes and the next one is go back. After that, I am linking this question node to this text button. Now whenever the user will click on this yes button, then my bot will reply to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, dragging a line and selecting the content type as text button. Now I am entering the respond message in this enter message box. Here I have entered, and whenever the user will click on this go back button, then my bot will again send them this travel style list. list. So it is connected. Now the next button is talk to expert. If my users wants to directly communicate with the expert, then they will click on this button. Then my bot will share them the contact details. So for that, I'm clicking on the circle, dragging a line and selecting the content type as text button. After that, I'm entering the contact information about my travel agency in this enter message box. Here I have entered and our flow is completed. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on the save button so that your flow will be saved and updated. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while creating this flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this flow in the description below. You can check it out. This automated WhatsApp chatbot will give instant replies to your users in real time like this 24/7 without you touching your phone. It will be really very beneficial for you and your business too. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automated WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.